Hi, today I want to show you this unboxing, and what you're hearing now, my voice is coming from this microphone Xiaokoa, and then let's see what is inside. You see in the box we have this splitter, this cable split, which has the plug-in for microphone and earphones. You see it has 4 pins. And then you see we have a support, and then we have a filter. We have a support for the filter that is going here, and then here we have the microphone, and then some springs. And then this is the filter. It looks like a good microphone. It's not that light. It's quite heavy, and as you see, as you can hear, the sound is quite okay. But I had this problem. I don't know if it was just my problem or it's a common problem. It's not keeping, so what I did is to invert and take away this screw and mount it and put it in the opposite way. You see the screw out and just invert and put it again, and as you see now it has a good balance. I have to say it's quite solid. It's not that weak. And now, as you see, I have in my computer just a plugin that is both microphone and headphones. So I need this splitter to put the microphone in the red hole for the microphone, and then put it inside. Now I show you how I fixed the sound, because it was a bit low. So we go to this symbol of the speakers, click with the right button, and then recording device, and then you see microphone, and then we see levels. Here is 100. If I put lower, the microphone will be lower or minimum. And then here is also amplification of the microphone. We can choose 0, 12, 24 and 36. I made some check, and I have to say that 24 is quite good for my computer, so I just leave it like this, and then OK and OK. And yes, that's all. And I hope that you like this video, and thank you.